Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be on the newest edition of my truck. It is the Garmin Dash Cam number 57. And I will be doing this in my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition double cab with the V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, disabled dynamic fuel management, 8-speed transmission, and just in case you're curious, a 6.5 foot bed. So on with the video. So on this video, what I decided to do, I have two dash cams in my truck right now. Well, three now. I have a 56 pointing out the front, a 56 pointing out the rear, and this 57 in the upper right hand corner of the passenger side windshield. And of course it's looking at me because this entire video is being filmed with the 57 dash cam. That almost didn't come out. So let me go ahead and drive around while we're doing it, and let's see how it goes. So the reason why I had bought this third dash cam for my inside of my truck is because I was watching some YouTube videos. And yes, Garmin does have a dash cam, a tandem dash camera that videotapes out the front and inside the vehicle. So that's why I added this number 57 in the upper right hand corner. And the reason why it's pointing at me is because that way it gets the passenger, somebody in the back seat, and mainly on what's outside, what's happening outside of these two windows. That way, if something happens, like if a cop illegally pulls me over, I should get his face and everything that he is saying from the driver's side window. Well, anyway, what I was talking about was I was watching some YouTube videos, and there were 4 of them I had watched, and there were some people that had the dash cam inside like this one. And if they didn't have that interior dash camera, it would have been he said, she said. So that is why I bought this dash camera, and I do prefer Garmin dash cameras over some other ones. I did do a review video on, I can't remember the name of it, sorry, Regular, that I had got for free. Very nice camera, but I already had these ones, so I gave that one away on a YouTube giveaway that I did on my channel. So anyway, like I said, the reason why I bought this was just for my safety and to prove if anything happens outside of these two windows. It could be a random person walking up to the vehicle. At least now I'll have a video of his face, and I think it's great. So anyway, the 57s replaced the 56s. I think there are 2 subtle differences, and I think the one is that the 57 will store it to the cloud if you sign up for it. I'm just going to do it on the SD card, and this one does come with an SD card. I did have some spare SD cards, so I went ahead and used mine because they are 256 gigabytes. This one I believe was a 16. So now I am covered from pretty much every single angle, front, rear, inside. So my ass is covered. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notification when a new video comes out. And if you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button that is below the screen on your computer, and you can make a donation to my channel. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. That is how I bought this dash camera, with the money that I had accumulated over time. So I guess that's it. That's my closing spiel. This is my video. Hope you guys liked it. And just so you know, I really do recommend having a forward-facing dash camera, one pointing out the rear, and if you can, get one for inside the vehicle. That will also videotape the driver and the passenger inside the vehicle. So if you have a problem with one of your passengers and they're saying you did something that you shouldn't have been doing, you're gonna have fucking proof. So anyway, that's my video. Hope you guys liked it. No bloopers. I got this all in one take. Have a nice day. Stay safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.